Hey gang, for today's video I'm going to show you how to fix some scratches in your luxury vinyl plank flooring. That's right, I just put in some new flooring not that long ago, but I've got some scratches. The good news is they shouldn't be too hard to fix. So hopefully you learned something from this video, and if not, well, I'm sorry to have wasted your time. I've got some fairly prominent scratches here that are from the entryway bench that used to sit here, and so I just wanted to show you how to fix those in case you're all wondering. The first thing I'm going to do is gently abrate the floor over the scratches with a Scotch-Brite pad. Just pick your favorite color of Scotch-Brite pad and go to town. The reason I'm doing this is just to remove any lingering fibers that may be clinging to those scratches. We don't want that when we're finished. Once that's done, I take a little paste wax. I'm using SC Johnson, but any old paste wax will do. And I'm using a paper towel to apply that to the flooring. It should fill in the smaller scratches. We'll see about the bigger ones. It looks like the scratches are pretty much gone after applying the paste wax, but I like to give it an hour or two after that application to see if there are any bigger scratches there. Sometimes after the paste wax dries, you'll notice a scratch that appeared to be filled in but wasn't, just because it was a little bit deeper. Never fear, we have a simple solution for those deep scratches. It's a stain pen. I just took a stain pen that was roughly the same color as my flooring and colored in that bigger scratch. Once I was done with that, I took a damp paper towel and wiped off the excess stain and then dried it with a dry paper towel. No one will ever know there was a scratch there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.